Alright guys, another short video here today. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be switching out these headlamps, lenses. This is the cheapest way to carry on this repair. This is just to make your vehicle, like the front end of your vehicle, look pretty and nice, and it's actually very cheap. This is a Mercedes vehicle, and these headlamps could be pretty expensive, so this is the easiest route. But to reach those headlamps, like you see, everything gotta go. The tire gotta come off, the bumper gotta come off, the undercover gotta come off, like the shield plate down there, plastic, gotta come off. The bumper is actually right there. So we're gonna be transforming these headlights to make them look brand new again. Alright guys, I actually covered that, put this on there. This is an air mattress that I cut it, the broken one. So I use it like a protection shield. Alright guys, let's do this thing and then come back and see what it looks like. I mean, taking the old lens of this thing is kind of a little pain in the behind, but you could actually, you can use a heat gun to melt down these sealants around it. And when doing that, you see the lens, you see these reflectors here, you don't want to touch it. Do everything possible not to even lay your hands across them, not even on the sides. So I got the old one off, and I'll show you what. Let's go to the unboxing. The unboxing here, this is the old one. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you transfer this other I guess this is another reflector. You want to transfer it onto the new one. So I'm going to see. Come down here, so we'll do the discussion. I bought this off of eBay, and like I said, it's way cheaper. It looks like I made it in China or something. See characters here. Hey guys, and make sure you don't want to scratch it because this is so new. So what we're gonna do now, you see how it looks like? Same thing. Make sure everything looks the same, and we want to go ahead now and transfer this little piece here. I don't know if you can see it. Put this thing down. So we're gonna be transferring this piece here to the new one. Like I said, don't touch it. There is no air in there, nothing has gone there. Just don't touch it. Just try to take it off without rubbing your hands across. What we're gonna do is, as you can see, I just went and bought a brand new heat gun. So next thing you want to do when you're doing this thing, after you're done taking off the lenses, you want to go ahead and take off all this sealant here. And the only way for it to come out is it's with the help of a heat gun, because that thing is super strong. This is a windshield sealant. And then when you do that, you see like this one that I took off already. Yeah, you gotta clean it up. Take the whole thing off completely, all around it, because that's where you're gonna spray the new sealant and then see the new lens on there. So we're gonna do that one, same thing as I did this one already. I actually have me a scraper. You warm it up, you heat it up, section by section, and then kind of like dig it out. You can see what came out. So I'll see you guys next door. As you can see, I already finished the other one. It looks really good. So you can see how I had to refill. Like I said, you want to make sure you don't touch this lens, this part, these reflectors. You don't want to touch them. Keep them clean. And when you look around it, you have to feel the ceiling a little well, in a way that when you stick the new lens in, yeah, that little piece right there is not a biggie. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it. Hold it like that, and then take it off the back. You wanna make sure you don't have any piece of plastic around these edges. You want to press them up, and then you're just gonna go ahead and it goes like that. Just stick it on there. Alright, give me a second. Sure. That's right. That's right. So that's it. I'm gonna keep this as clean as possible. It's just gonna fit in snug in one way. Put this here so you can see what I'm talking about. You can't miss it. Okay. You see the reason why I was talking about leaving the plastic on there? Because when you put it in, it's gonna pop up like that. You might get it dirty. So this is not a biggie because I'm gonna peel this off anyways. So see how it spreads around the edges. So what I'm gonna do now is just grab me a piece of something, a cardboard, just run it around it to clean that extra off, like this. You want to keep this clean as much as you can, like that. Did not put too much of it this time. The other one I didn't have this over the edge of the spills. Keep that way, you're not gonna step on it. So, I think it's good to go. Back again. These are the new lenses on there. Like, you can't even tell the difference. It looks like a brand new headlight. So clean, brand new, both of them. If you have all the materials for this job, it should take you roughly 2 hours, just because there are a lot of components involved, to really fragile components that you don't want to break them. So you take your time, but with all the materials in place and everything that you need, it should take you about 2 hours and you'll be done with it. Alright guys, so this is it. The same way it came out, the same way it's gonna go back in. Alright guys, now you guys can see I have everything put back on together, and this is the new headlights as compared to, you can tell the difference. So we have we just went from a $500 a piece, $600 a piece, or $300 some a piece, to like what, $50 for both of them. So we just saved like $700-800. So you guys can tell the difference now. Looking good, looking new.
Your point is an elephant.